Dit is byna weer tyd om saam te klets en vandag gesels ons met Brian Jafta, president van Ganja Users of Namibia en die Rastafari United Front. Hy is laasweek vrygestel na hy sy straf uitgedien het op klagte van besit van dagga, maar gaan nog voort met sy grondwetlike uitdaging teen die wet wat dagga besit kriminaliseer. Baie dankie, kom klets saam.
The separation of powers, the judiciary, they through the CPA, the Criminal Procedure Act, they prohibited the whole plant as it is in its whole form, the usage, the cultivation, the dealing, and as well as the possession. So we feel like these two institutes, they contradict each other.